Hi, this is JP from Studio JPEG. In this video, I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the Zoom F1 field recorder and lavalier mic. So this is the F1-LP, and it's a very practical portable recorder that comes with the lapel microphone, as you can see here. So I will just open the box up. Alright, so it comes with some instructions on top of it, and a divider here. And while I'm here, I see there's a tape here, so I'll untape this. And you can see the packaging here. Alright, so the wind just blew away my papers, but I am back. So we have over here the Zoom recorder. As you can see, it is very portable, very small. And you have the microphone here. So this thing would screw in the bottom of it, and you can see the microphone line in here. So you plug it in, and then you have this thing here that's gonna make sure that it stays in place. And it does come with a little clip like this, so it just snaps in the middle there, so that lets you attach it to your subject wherever you'd like it to be. And you have a couple of windscreens that come with it. Those are always very practical to have. And so I'll put that right now on top of the microphone. And if you take a look on the side here, you can see that you have a USB in that you can use to power it. And you also have your volume buttons here. You have a little door. And if you open it up, this is where you're gonna put the batteries in. And I see it does come with two Maxell batteries over here. Or you can use your own batteries. And then in the front here is a clip. I'll have to read if there's something special you have to do to take it off, but I did see a lot of people struggling taking it off. But this here is where you would plug if you have any other attachments by Zoom, such as the microphones that came with my Zoom H6. They would be compatible with this. And you have a little door here with a spot to put a micro SD card. And it's very important to note that this is only compatible with the micro SD or micro SDHC card. So it's not compatible if you have an SDXC card with 64 gigs or above. This would not work with this recorder, so I had to order a 32 gig SDHC card specifically for this one. And then you have your power button here and the hold button. So if you go back to the front of the unit, you have your play, pause, stop, and record buttons. You can change your record level. You can put a limiter and have a low cut filter and choose the rec format. So all in all, it's a very simple unit. It's very compact, very easy to put on any subject. If you're doing wedding videos, for example, this would be awesome to have. But also anytime that you want to record anybody, really, this is a very practical unit that because you don't have a cable going back to your recorder other than this little cable here, and you do have a belt loop so you can attach it to your subject's belt, or you can very easily squeeze it into a pocket. And the nice thing too is with the hold button on the side here, then you don't have to be afraid of anybody hitting this buttons by mistake, then you know you're gonna be good. So I'm looking forward to giving this a try. Hi, this is JP LaForce from Studio JPEG, and right now I am with the Zoom F1-LP recorder, and I have the lavalier connected over here, and it is right now the audio that you are hearing. So I just finished the unboxing. I put a fresh new memory card in it, a couple of batteries, and it is recording. And as you can see, there is a little light here that will blink if I speak too loudly. So it does, I put it on auto levels for now. And when I get more time to play with it, I'll work on it on the different volume settings and see how it works. So this is how it sounds at 44K and 24-bit sound settings. And I still don't know what it sounds like because I just unboxed it a few minutes ago, but hopefully this is really good quality. And I also still have my other microphone on that we can hear the difference, so most likely I'll be doing some switching from one microphone to the other. So this is how the Rode SmartLav Plus microphone sounds like, and this is the microphone that was used in the beginning of this video. And now this is again the Zoom F1-LP microphone that I switched back to. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave them in the box below. If you liked the video, please click like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.